Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious taco sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need ripe tomatoes, a good quality chili powder, and some ground cumin. Don't forget a blender or food processor for that perfect smooth texture. Having your workspace ready will make the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's build our flavor base. Begin by sautéing finely minced garlic and diced onion in a pan until they become fragrant and translucent. Next, add your diced tomatoes and a small amount of water, letting it simmer gently. This is also the perfect time to stir in your chili powder, cumin, and any other desired spices to create a rich, aromatic foundation. Once your base has simmered and cooled slightly, carefully transfer the entire mixture into your blender. Process it until you achieve a wonderfully smooth consistency, or leave it a bit chunky if you prefer. Now for the crucial step, taste and adjust. Add salt, black pepper, and perhaps a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors perfectly, making it truly your own. After blending, return your taco sauce to the pan and let it simmer gently for at least 15 minutes. This allows all those wonderful flavors to meld and deepen. Once it's reached perfection, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. Store your delicious homemade taco sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days, ready for your next taco night.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.